Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficial and the most merciful. Today topic of our discussion is countable noun and uncountable noun. The content of this lecture include definition, examples, rules, summary. The first part of this lecture include definition. Countable noun names something that can be counted. Uncountable noun names something that cannot be counted. Uncountable noun can be a liquid like water, like juice. It can be something that is made up of the smaller parts like rice, like salt, like air. It can be an abstract idea like music, like knowledge and happiness. These all are the examples of uncountable noun. Countable noun can be an apple, sandwich, cake, clock, grapes, capsicum, egg, brinjal. And uncountable noun can be water, sugar, flour, milk, salt, hair, rice, yogurt. Countable food can be burger, orange, cookies, salad, fries, hot dogs, sandwiches, pancake, grapes, olive, and apple. Uncountable foods can be bread, rice, coffee, cheese, juice, meat, chocolate, fruit, milk, seafood, cereal. Some other examples of uncountable noun include liquid like water, like ice, like juice, like milk that is made up of the smaller part, something that is made up of the smaller part like sugar, like pasta, like meat, like bread, salt, rice, flour, fruits, traffic, transport, furniture. It can be a material like gold, like silver. It can be rain, homework, money, honey, toast, snow. These all are the examples of uncountable noun. There are some more examples like information, knowledge, news, education, software, advice, traffic, smoke, time, jewelry, perfume, and health. These all are the example of uncountable noun. These all are examples of countable food and uncountable food. We have already discussed more examples. Next part of our discussion is what are the rules to differentiate between countable noun and uncountable noun. Countable noun can be singular or plural. It can take singular and plural verb only. Uncountable noun can take only singular verb. For example, there is some water in jug. There are some waters in the jug. It will be an incorrect sentence. The next rule to differentiate between countable and uncountable noun is countable noun can used with a grape, a book, a bag, many bags, many apples, few apples, a few apples. But uncountable noun can be used with much, little, a little bit of information, much water, little water. Countable noun can be only go with a, an, and the. It can take these articles along with it. An apple, a grapes, a bag, the apple. But uncountable noun cannot go with a, an, and the and numbers. We cannot call two waters. It will be an incorrect. We cannot use a, an, and the and numbers with uncountable nouns like water, like rice, two rice, three rice. This will be an incorrect. We cannot use a, an, a water, and water. It will be incorrect. There are some words that used both with uncountable and uncountable noun like some, any, no, a lot of, enough, plenty of. Summary of this lecture include what is countable noun. Countable noun can count. We can count it. For example, tree can be counted, book can be counted. It can take only singular and plural form. It can use a singular verb. It can use a plural verbs. But uncountable noun can take both. Can take only one form, There is no plural form of uncountable noun. We cannot count them. It always use a singular verb. For example, sugar is sweet. Sugar or sweet will be incorrect. We cannot use a, an, or the and numbers with uncountable noun. For example, a rice, two rice, three rice. It will be incorrect. And rice, a rice will be incorrect. A bread and bread, two breads will be incorrect. Uncountable noun are often abstract idea, liquid and gas. It can be made up of the smaller parts like salt, like sugar, like sand. It can be a material like wood, glass, paper, gold, silver, ice, iron, cotton, wool, and steel. It can be a food that is made up of the smaller parts like bread, fish, cheese, chocolate. These all are the words that are uncountable in English. For example, furniture, advice, work, news. I hope so that you will be able to differentiate between countable and uncountable. Now, get ready. It's time to practice. Practice these questions. Identify the highlighted words that can be uncountable noun and uncountable noun. Identify them as a countable or uncountable noun. Thanks to all of you for watching.